Yes, sir.
Can you explain what changed in the past couple of weeks? First, he said he would not be waiving extradition, that he was challenging. Today, his attorney said that things have changed, and he explained that he was no longer concerned about representation, that his client would have him in New York. What, from your perspective, did or did not change?
I have no idea, and that's why I don't comment on, even if a defense attorney tells me this is what we intend to do. When you folks ask what is happening, I say I'm not sure, because if it's the defendant's decision, that is their decision for them and their counsel to decide. They can change their mind whenever they want. I'm not privy to why they do it or when they do it. I just have to show up to court and be ready to proceed with the hearing, which we were.
Given the severity of the charges he's facing in New York, why is your office still prosecuting the offense that's inflicted?
Well, he committed crimes in Blair County. He's charged with committing crimes in the state of New York. They're allegations at this point, but we're not in the practice of just dismissing charges simply because someone has more serious charges somewhere else. That might be an older school approach. It might be a little antiquated, but I might be both of those things. Yes, sir.
There's some news reporting that federal prosecutors are considering bringing federal charges against him as well. Have you been in touch at all with any federal officials?
I have not spoken to any federal officials about Mr. Mangione, absent casual conversation with a few FBI agents the Monday he was apprehended, and they certainly didn't discuss any of that with me.
And if they were to request materials or evidence from you, is that something you'd be willing to share?
We'll cooperate with all law enforcement agencies as we always do.
Will he have the opportunity to appear virtually in February when he comes back, or will he have to come back for it?
That'll be up to him and his attorney. There would be a couple different options. He could continue the proceedings. If he's not available, we would certainly certify that to the court, and we've done that in the past. But that that will be part of our ongoing conversations with the Manhattan County DA's office.
Do you have any details on the extradition process right now?
We relinquished him to the custody of the New York City Police Department, and they'll be taking him back to New York City in a safe and secure manner.
Is that happening right now, today?
It's happening forthwith.
He's in their
yes.
custody.
We transferred them.
Do you have any
No, I don't comment on defendants' behaviors, what their intentions are, and what choices they make, because that's his decisions, his behavior, and I don't know why someone does what they do. That's up to them.
So you said earlier that the Blair County case is going to kind of be on hold until the New York case is concluded. But I was going to ask if the 24th hearing is still on, or how does that work out?
In Blair County, we have large calls of the list for many cases at one time, pretty routinely. That 24th date is the first of those times, so there would probably be between 200 and there'll be several hundred cases called that day, and essentially they're statused. So the case could be continued, it could be addressed remotely. There are a lot of options, and frankly, depending on his availability, it would be probably up to Attorney Dickey and Mr. Mangione as to whether he continues or appears virtually.
So at what point would it be paused, if it is?
The two factors would be his attorney requesting a delay, if they believe that's in his best interest, or the Commonwealth indicating that he's not available because the other prosecution and prosecuting entity can't produce him at this time. Yes. In the manner determined by the New York City Police Department to be the safest and most secure.